You are going to love the 2021 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, steel wheels, LED headlights, wheel covers, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.